Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the privacy settings for your Facebook profile photo on PC. If you want to control who can see your profile picture, this new update makes it easier than ever. Let's get right into it. First, open Facebook on your PC. Head to your browser, log in, and you'll be ready to go. Next, take a look at the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to go straight to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, you'll see your profile picture right at the top. Click on the profile photo to open it in full view. Now, right above your profile photo, you'll notice 3 dots in the top right corner. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with more options. From the menu, select Edit Audience. This option allows you to change who can see your profile picture. You'll now have a few choices for your photo's privacy. You can choose Public Save, which lets anyone see your photo, Friends, which limits it to your Facebook friends, Friends Except, if you want to exclude certain people, or Only Me, if you want to make the photo completely private. Pick the option that fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, simply click Done to save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated the privacy settings for your Facebook profile photo. Now you have full control over who can see your profile picture and who can't. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.